Leslie. My wish for you is to focus on your studies. Huwag ka sana malulong sa mga masasamang activities. Please continue to pursue your dreams and passion. I wish you to have a good health, more practice to come for you. Good luck to your studies. Stay pretty and kind. Happy birthday to Tati Leslie. I love you.
Ayan. Huwag daw malululong ha. Alright, next. 18 Carol is Kira Cordelia. Cordelia, rather. Here.
Yeah.
Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl.
Happy birthday, Ate Leslie. Mag-aaral ka po ng mabuti. Huwag mo na pong mag-asawa. Ito po sa family mo.
Huwag mo na mag-asawa, ha?
Ano ang mag-asawa, Ate Leslie?
Ayan, take a picture. Alright, and next. In Carol is Ray Catherine Emil.
Ating kapatid kong uwi, sikat na meme.
Hindi mo, ate!
Happy legality less. Although